if I'm at the right zoom level. So the camera is higher than my eye holes. Right, basic way of testing with a Mega BM222 set to 500 volts on the Meg scale. Now this is a godsend. It's a 300 operation, so I've got 1.5. So anyway, so put them two on there. Oh, them two on there. Finger across, you see, and the pressy, and I've got that wrong way around. And there, press. Thank you. You see? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 out on that one. See, that one's not lit. Oh, that'll be easier. There. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Works beautifully. That one's fine. Try that. And then down to that one is. That one's fine. Okay. So what did I say? Oh, on the end is buggered. So what I normally do there is just to clip them off, and then I know oh, they're tight. Where's my pot? Two in the middle, won't it? Yep. Really stinging on the glue the old Japs are nowadays. Not really anything on there at all. Right, there you go.